November Light Report. Our special events for the month are November 3rd, Programming Day. November 17th is the Founders Day for the men of Omega Sci-Fi. Special shout out to the brothers of Omega Sci-Fi. And thank you for all that you do for our community. There will be a church service at Greater Little Rock at 9:30 a.m. and a special performance by the Light Team. There will be a service event fastly approaching, which is the Watson Turkey Drive. More information will be communicated by program admin in the band app. That's all I have for the November Lightning News today. Remember to work hard, focus, and always try to do your best. Be sure to subscribe to the Lamplighters YouTube channel. Keep shining, Lamplighters. Bye!